guys, welcome back. Rider Oasis here. I'm out here riding with my daughter on a sort of a lazy Sunday. Nice quiet roads out here. We go out for 10-15 minutes. We'll both get fully geared up, helmet, gloves, full protection. I insist on it, of course. And I'll show you guys a near miss. I wouldn't even call it a near miss because I saw it coming way ahead of time and it became a non-issue, but here we go.
I'm going to start taking us home, okay? Okay. You having a good time? Alright, good job. Yeah. I love you too, buddy. Well? What? You what? Okay. I got you. Alright. Hold on to the strap.
Alright, so apart from our communication difficulties there, we normally use hand signals or a series of taps to indicate, like three hard taps means I need to stop, something's wrong. One tap just means, hey, something interesting I saw. And that's how we sort of communicate. I point out anything interesting I see, so that's sort of our MO for these rides. Things are about to change here, so I'll sort of explain what I see as we come forward here. Alright, so I'm seeing that truck coming over from the left, and I'm thinking, okay, that's probably my biggest threat right now, and I'm thinking at the pace I'm going and the way he's moving, I'm probably in his A-pillar, so he can't see me. Sure enough, I think he sees me right here. Yep. And he was not expecting to see me there. I think he looked. I think he maybe looked several times, but he didn't come to a complete stop, and thought it was clear, but I was really hiding in his A-pillar. So just something to be mindful of, and ride safe out there, guys.